Hello guys! In this video, I will show how to use Google Play Store apps on PC thanks to BlueStacks emulator, and show how to use this emulator to learn vocabulary efficiently. So, let's get started. First you need to download BlueStacks. Then, you should click to App Player. Then you should click to System Apps. Go to Play Store and sign in with a new account. Now that we are in, we can download any app we want. I use the app Spaced Repetition Mentor for language learning. This app includes spaced repetition technique and does not tire you. Spaced repetition is an evidence-based learning technique that is usually performed with flashcards. The greater the repetition, the greater the learning space. I like it because it reminds me when it is time to study vocabulary on my computer. Also, you do not have to worry if you really learned that word, because if you keep learning with this app, you learn words perfectly. If you spend lots of time on computer, it is great to study on computer too. You need to keep the app open, though. The app looks like this on your computer when you download. So, here how the app looks like. You add folders and words that you want to learn. Our first notification comes after like 10 minutes. However, when you delete some word you added on your folder, this app becomes broken. I do not delete any word I added, instead, I edit them if I did something wrong. Also, when you add so many words, after some time, they become too much to revise, because you have to revise them from the beginning. You cannot revise every folder separately. Because I could not find any app to use like the way I want, I tried this way. I recommend opening another instance on the emulator. Here is how to do that. You can create many of them easily like this.